Good morning, sir. My name is V.R. Rose, and I'm going to be talking about uh, how we'll construct a we'll draw a simply supported beam using AutoCAD. We have the question here, and the question is a simply supported beam has the following details of around. We have to draw a simply supported beam. It has a clear span of 5,000 millimeters, with the support around 230 millimeters, cross section of beam around 230 to 600 millimeters, and the given reinforcement details are given there in the question, and we take M20 grade concrete and Fe415 steel. Okay, first we need to set the units. We set the units by taking the precision at 0.00, which I have already set. Then you need to scale at millimeters and then press OK. Once you press OK, we will start with our AutoCAD drawing. First, you draw a 5,000 millimeter line. You set the length here. It is drawn. Since our width of support is around 230 millimeters, so we'll draw the width itself right now. And here we take around 230 millimeters, sorry. Then we draw it again. And next, we do the same thing in this side. Here, join it. You can join this however you want. Next, since one of our question are the cross section of the beam is 230 into 600 millimeters. We take the length of the bars around as 600. We take around 600 millimeters right now, and we draw it on top. You extend it till here. You can easily do this using the line command. And we are done with the outer layer. Now you take this is the offset button. You choose the offset. And here I'll be taking an offset about 25 millimeters. Once you take the offset, you can choose this. And you're done here. Next, you have to take the trim button. You trim the outer sides of this part. And we're done with this. Next, you take the line button so that you can draw. Here, you can extend this. Since you don't know the length of the beam, you just know the width of the cross section of the beam. You just draw this here so that you can give a clear picture of what that it can extend also. And you do the same here. And here it's also use the trim button. You trim the sides. Oh, it's not trimmed here properly, sorry. Next, according to our question, we have around triangle bars of we have shear reinforcement of 8 bars at 150 center to center. So now you take the offset option, and then you keep a offset of about 150 center to center 150. and then you select this line. Once you select this line, choose the multiple option, which is easier to do. Just press. Okay, sorry, I have not typed the multiple option. Sorry. Yeah. So it's easier this way to do it. So it gives you a clear picture of how many, whenever you want, you can use it multiple times. And we are done with this. Now you trim this side of the beam, this itself. Then you take a line, extend it around about, it's on the ortho mode. Here this should keep it about 120 millimeters. Do the same here, 120. That's it. The line option here to 120. I'm done with this. See here. So we're done with about 50% of the drawings. And now you'd use a hatchet scale. Here we are using the ENS 132. You do it to uh, this, and you alter the sizes according to whatever you wanted. And I'll keep it around at 9.5. And now we do the notations. Here we use the dimensions. We will set the dimensions of the clear span. And here, if you're not able to see the then if you zoom it, you'll be able to see it. But in case you want it to be bigger, you just go to annotations, the ISO 125, manage dimension styles, modify, and then you change your size, your text height here, and keep it at 100. And then you also change the arrow size to 50. I guess it's changed for now. The ledger size, modify it here. Center marks, then arrow size. Okay, sorry, I changed the center mark size. Yeah, I changed it to 50, 75. I'll keep it at a 75. Yes, you can see the marks here. Then you give the dimensions for each and every one. See here, you can get to know that it is at 230 the bar size, the beam. Then use the dimensions again. As given mentioned, it's 600 Here we will have to mention the tension and reinforcement bars. Then hanger, and tension reinforcement bars. For that, we use the leader option. Here, you'll just draw it, and after Remove the ortho now. Keep it here. And then I'll mention the shear reinforcement about at 2 by 8 at 150 center to center. I think it's not changed, so I'll change it again right now. We're done with this. Here also you have to change the ledger size. Your standard, you to manage multi installations. Modify. Then change the leader size. Okay, close. We're done with this. Then you take another ledger. Then you mention the size of this hanger bars. And then you use your toolbox text. In the text box, you give the size of the text of the hanger bars. Here. And then we have to draw a cross section. Draw a cross section. We'll draw it alignedly to this. Press D, enter. And you can give the size of the cross section, that is 230 around, I think. Cross section should be of 230 into 600. Yes, we're drawn here. And we give an offset of around 25. Select inside. Then you fillet the you fillet these sides. Now, first you use the explode option. You select this, enter, and fillet it. And, next, use the donut option. Here you give the size 0, and then you give the hanger bar size, which is about 16 mm. And you can specify it at this point, since we have around 3 tension reinforcement bars and 2 hanger bars. You can keep, there are 3 here, one at this corner, one at this corner, and one at the center. They be the same at the top, but here you give only 2, since they have only two hanger bars. And you're done with this. Then use the dimensions. Use the dimensions for the here is the value include after excluding the offset values. As I mentioned here. Then we mentioned the Q leader. Use the Q leader command. Point this out. This and use it again for this. You're done. Then use the text option. And to give it as 3 dash by 16. Sorry. Done here. And here is for the hanger bars. And you're done with your drawing. This is the cross section. This is the longitudinal section of the beam, and you're done with the drawing. Thank you.